So I thought this might be interesting. An Acura RL ECU and immobilizer come in. The customer said that they had both of the units reflashed and nothing's working. So they sent me the computer and the immobilizer and the key. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to eeprom the immobilizer box. I'm going to retrieve the key data from it. Then I'm going to make myself a red key and a black key, and I'll check this key to see if it's in there. If not, it's a T5, so I can just program it to match what's already in there. After that, I will check and see if the key works. Luckily, I have an antenna for this. I'm gonna check and see if the keys work. If the keys work, then job's done. I can send it back, working. But since it's been flashed before, somebody tried to do it. I'm thinking they probably damaged the information that's in this box. So when I read it, if it looks funny, I'll have to change it. If it looks okay and it's still not working, then I'll probably have to sync the box with the ECU. I'm gonna try to use the Autel, the 908. If that doesn't work, I'll have to use a HDS, the Honda diagnostic software, which I've done those before, those boxes. So it's not too hard. It's pretty simple. But I'm gonna go ahead and hook everything up. I went over the diagram last night and just kind of roughly drew this out. So I have all my connections. We have our connectors. We have A, B, C, D, and then there's an E and an F on the back. And let's see. And that's it. I'm going to pause this while I get everything hooked up and then pick back up for the interesting stuff, I guess. So just a little conclusion with this thing. Currently, I have the switch off. I have a big mess of wires here, but for the purpose of this video, this is the immobilizer light. These lamps are for the fuel. That one's not hooked up. And these are for the fuel pump, so you'll see them come on and they'll cut off. But first, I'm going to use the original key that came with it that's not programmed, and you'll see the immobilizer light flashing here. So I'm going to turn the switch back off, and then I have a newly programmed key, and now you'll see this one cut the immobilizer light off. So bad key, good key, and no key, which is the same as bad key. One last thing I want to do is to program the bad key. Alright, so I have the original key program now. I just want to check it. So I'm going to ignition off. When I turn the ignition on, you should see the immobilizer light come on and then go out. There we go. All programmed.